Hello students, class 9. The second part of chapter 2, part 2, The Sahnai of Bismillah Khan. Ustad Bismillah Khan was a popular Sahnai player, and he born in Dumrao, Bihar on 21st March 1916, in Dumrao, Bihar. Okay, and he belonged to a family of Sahnai players. When he was 3 years old, his mother took him in his maternal house Banaras. There were means in his maternal house, his maternal uncle and whole the family members was a Shahnai players, and they also much more popular there. Banaras is very well known city in India, in UP, and it's very famous due to Kashi Vishwanath temple of Lord Shiva. Okay, and in spite of his family members belong to Muslim caste, but they were playing their Sahnai on those Hindu temples like Balaji, Mangala Maiya and Vishwanath temple. Okay, they used to play their Sahnai for the appreciating and for the happiness of God goddesses, okay, of Hindu religion, in this way. And now I will discuss about the origin of Shehnai. Firstly, students, there were a musical instrument was pungi. Pungi also made by the hollow reeds instrument it was, but Muslim Emperor Aurangzeb had banned it for playing in his palace, in his court. That time a barber had made same looking instrument by the same hollow reeds, having long reeds he had taken, having 7 holes, and that instrument having melodious voice, and that instrument called as Shahnai. And from that time Shahnai become much more popular, only its playing on occasion of auspicious occasions, and for the temples, in the courts, and on the occasion of weddings it used to play. Okay, after that, and then popularity of Shehnai become everywhere, and everyone started to play the Shehnai, and they also had given respect of that instrument and much more used on auspicious occasions. Okay, Bismillah Khan was practiced this instrumental playing the bank of river Ganga, and he had played much more ragas, new ragas he had invented, and he has practiced much, and his skill became popular when he went at the age of 14 with his maternal uncle in a performance at Allahabad. Okay, and he had played Shehnai there. Everyone has appreciated and admired him very much. And then he got the chance of All India Radio in Lucknow for the Shehnai playing. Okay, after that age, in 1938 he had started to do a lot of performance due to public demand, one place to place. And after that, when our country being free, on that time 15th August 1947, on that day he got the chance for playing the Shahnai, the Red Fort, on that time, on that occasion of 15th August. It is so auspicious occasion for the country peoples, and from that time his performances taken by all Doordarshan channels, and he become much more popular from that time in independent India. Okay, and in this way nationality came in his career, and he loves his country very much, and on that time patriotic feelings came in his mind, and he had made a lot of ragas by his Shehnai on that. After that, his means journey, his life career started in film industry also. Means his venture in the film world. Bismillah Khan produced music for the two movies also, Goonj Uthi Shehnai and Sinidhi Apanna. Means in both movies he had got the chance for playing the Shehnai, and these films being were blockbuster, and Bismillah Khan was soon means become glamorous and become much more popular in India. Okay, and after that he visits abroad in means foreign countries also. He went Tehran and he have done a lot of performances there, and by the performance public know him very well everywhere. But means he got the chance in USA there for the settlement, but he had refused. Why? Means nowadays public want to go there, want to settle there, but Bismillah Khan had refused this opportunity because he have much more love and affection towards river Ganga and much more the city of Banaras, because he got relaxed there, peaceful environment there, and his love with that place. So he want to come India and he want to play his Sahnai much more. He like to play near to river Ganga, bank of river Ganga. Okay, in this way. And you know, his recognition in India much more as the national Shahnai player, means a national person, and he got much more respective awards in India by our Indian government. You know, means he got national awards like Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and he got much more Padma Shri award also. In 2001 he was given the most civilian award Bharat Ratna by the Indian government. In this way he got name and fame not only in another country, in India much more. Okay, and what is patriotic feeling? Means patriotic feeling means much more filled in his heart and mind. So he had refused the chance of Tehran and USA, and he want to live in India, and he like to live in Banaras much more. Okay, means in this way the message of this chapter we can say that if anyone become popular, means he should not means miss his country, he should not forget his country's contribution, he should do his best for the public, for his country, because everyone's life have two obligations towards their family and towards their nation. So we should use our skill and talent for our nation also. Okay, thanks.